fitness keeps me sane, because without some kind of physical fitness, I'll go crazy. Roger Federer and Gulzar Saab, because these are two people who I'm a big fan of, and I'd love to get to spend time with them.
Sayami, we want to know your lockdown diaries, how you've been spending your time during lockdown. What's the thing that you love doing the most during the lockdown?
So because I'm at my farmhouse, I get to, before the lockdown, I was actually supposed to do a Ironman race in Netherlands. So I was training a lot for the race. Because I have space around my house, I've been doing my morning runs every day around the house. So I'm glad that I get my fitness running get every day. I get it in. But besides that, because there's so much time on hand, as a kid, I've always been very intrigued by magic tricks, and that's something I wanted to always learn. So I've had the time to kind of try my hand at a few magic tricks, and I'm practicing them. But just, I think, spending time with family, which in the past 8-10 years we haven't really gotten the time together.
What are you doing to keep yourself fit?
The running, and now because it's really raining a lot in Nasik, I always manage to find workouts to do at home, because fitness keeps me sane, because without some kind of physical fitness, I'll go crazy.
Have you been playing board games with your family?
We did play a few board games initially when lockdown was new, and you thought, oh, chalo, ek mahine mein khatam ho jayega. So at that point, we were doing all the board games and stuff, but that kind of has stopped now, to be honest.
Which is your favorite game?
I actually really enjoy playing Taboo. For four of us, so we make teams of two, and my sister and I kind of just are too good for my parents, but it's a game that I enjoy playing.
What shows are you currently binge watching?
I actually have just started Patal Lok yesterday. So as soon as I get done with interviews, I kind of go, because it's a show which you want to binge watch. But I finished watching Ozark, and I'm going to start Dark, the third season. So there's quite a big lineup of stuff that I'm going to watch.
Okay, and have you seen Breathe already, or is that also?
The first season, I binge watched it the year it had released. I had started watching it in the night, and I couldn't stop. So I kind of went on till some 4:30 in the morning and finished it off in one night. And the second season, of course, I watched because I had a little dub work. So I've watched the second season as well.
Okay. And if given a chance, who would you want to be locked down with?
I think Roger Federer and Gulzar Saab, because these are two people who I'm a big fan of, and I'd love to get to spend time with them.
Yeah, you have met, I think, Roger Federer twice.
I've clicked pictures with him, but I haven't had the opportunity to grill him with my questions. So I'm hoping I get an opportunity to sit down and ask him all my questions.
Okay, what's the one thing you hate about the lockdown?
Just being confined, inside, and not being able to meet my friends, because I'm very close to a few friends. So I just feel like, meeting friends in the evening is something I used to always do. So I'm really missing that.
What are you eating during this time?
Eating everything that my mother's making. So which is why I need to put in more hours in my exercise, because all these years of not being home, she's kind of made us eat a lot in the last 3 months. So right now we have a lot of mangoes in our farm. So we've got hundreds of mangoes, which we're kind of finishing up by ourselves. So right now it's just mango milkshakes all day.
And your sinful indulgence during this time?
Chocolate. It's not during this time, it's all the time.
Always.
Because it's something which I'm very fond of. So I need to get a control on it, but I can't live without chocolate.
And what's the first thing that you're going to be doing once this lockdown is over?
First thing I think would just be calling a bunch of 7-8 really close friends and doing a dinner with them, either in one of my friends' house or sitting together. And a few of my friends are musicians, so sitting and just having our musical evenings, which I'm really missing. And once that's done, then finishing up with my film, which I still have 15-20 days of work left.
Thank you so much, Sayami. We are looking forward to the second season of Breathe and looking forward to seeing you in it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It was lovely chatting with you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.